The question that we are solving now belongs to S series 2. It is of signals and systems subject, and in specific it belongs to Fourier transform of continuous time signals. We are given the Fourier transform of a continuous time signal x of t, which is given as x of omega equal to j omega plus 12 divided by j omega whole square plus 5j omega plus 6. We have to find inverse transform of the same means x of t. We know that Fourier transform of e power minus at multiplied by u of t is given as integral 0 to infinity e power minus at e power minus j omega t dt, which on integration becomes e power minus a plus j omega t divided by minus of a plus j omega, and the limits to be substituted are integral to 0. This on simplification becomes minus 1 by a plus j omega multiplied by 0 minus 1, that is equal to 1 by a plus j omega. So let us take x of omega, which is given as j omega plus 12 divided by j omega whole square plus 5j omega plus 6. This can be further written as j omega plus 12 divided by j omega plus 2 multiplied by j omega plus 3. On splitting this into partial fractions, it can be written as 10 by j omega plus 2 minus 9 by j omega plus 3. So, on taking inverse transform on both sides, x of t is equal to f inverse of x of omega is equal to 10 multiplied by f inverse of 1 by 2 plus j omega minus 9 multiplied by f inverse of 1 by 3 plus j omega. We observe that the two terms circled are of form 1 by a plus j omega. But we know that Fourier transform of e power minus at u of t is 1 by a plus j omega. Based on this, x of t can be written as 10 into e power minus 2t u of t minus 9 into e power minus 3t u of t. Hence, the correct option is D.